Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add Excel VBA into your Excel program. I'm just going to open my Excel file over here and I will start up just a blank sheet. So over here I can see my recents, but I am just going to select a blank workbook. Now make this a little bit bigger. So what you want to do is you want to go to File, and then you want to go to Options, and on your left hand side over here you want to go to Customize Ribbon, and you want to click on that little checkbox down right here that says Developer, and you want to click on OK. So after you've done that, you're going to see that a new tab on the very far top over here that says Developer, and this is where you're pretty much starting to play with Excel VBA stuff. Thank you.